Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about light. So you might have seen a beam of sunlight when it enters a room through a narrow opening or a hole. You may also have seen beam of light from the headlamp of a scooter, car or engine of a train. Similarly, a beam of light can be seen from a torch also. You may have seen a beam of a searchlight of a lighthouse or from an airport tower. So, what do these experiences suggest? So, it suggests that the light always travels in a straight line. So, to prove this, we have to perform an activity. So, for this activity, we need a pipe and we need a candle, lighted candle. So, first of all, we have to light the candle and we have to observe or we have to see this candle's flame by the help of the straight tube like this. So this straight tube we have to use. So by using this straight tube, we can easily see the flame of the candle. But once we are bending the tube like this, so when we will bend the tube and then we will try to see the flame of the candle by using this bent tube, then we are not able to see it. So why we are not able to see the flame of the candle? So it is reason behind that the light always travels in a straight line. Now, what is reflection of light? So, whenever we are observing any light or whenever the light is fall on any stainless steel spoon or a shiny surface, at that time, what is happening? It will change its direction. The direction of light will change, and this is because whatever the light is fall on that shiny surface, it will directly reflect from that surface and it will change its direction. So any shiny surface can act as a mirror. So whenever the light is falls on the mirror, most of the light is bounce back and this is known as the reflection of light. So whenever the light is fall on any mirror, it will bounce back. So the bouncing back of light is known as the reflection. So to observe this, we have to perform an activity. So for this activity, we need a torch, and that torch is covered with a black sheet, black chart paper, and that is having a three slits in this. So in this black sheet we are making three slits so that the light will coming out from that torch in the form of a beam like this. And we have to place a mirror which is perpendicular to the surface. Now we have to place the torch in such a way that the light can easily falls on the mirror. We can easily see the beam of the light on the mirror, and we can also observe the bouncing back of light. That means the reflection of light. So this is when the light is falls on the mirror, it will bounce back, and this is the reflection of light. Now if we move the torch in that side, so what will happen? The light which is coming from that side, it will also move from the another side. That means if we move it here, then the reflection will move like this. Now again we have to take a mirror, and at the front of the mirror we have to place a candle. At the front of the mirror we are having a candle, and we have to observe the candle in the mirror. So is it of same size or it is of smaller or bigger size? So we can easily observe that it is of same size. If it is of 5 centimeter long, then it will also 5 centimeter long, which is appear in the mirror. So whatever the image which is formed inside the mirror, that means here. So this is the image of the candle. This candle, this is the image of the candle. And just because we can't obtain the image of that candle on any surface, if we are placing the sheet of a paper at behind the mirror, then also we are not able to observe the image. And if we are placing the sheet of a paper at the front of the mirror, that means behind the candle, then also we are not able to obtain the image on that screen. So just because any image that is not obtained on the mirror, or sorry, not obtained on the screen, so this type of image is known as the virtual image. So if the image is not obtained on the screen, then we can say it is a virtual image. But if the image can obtain on the screen, then we called it real image. So right now, whatever the image is formed in the plane mirror, it is virtual image. Now, whatever the image is formed on the screen, it is always erect. That means it is as it is to the object. It will not like that when we are placing the arrow like this and it will appear in the mirror like this. It will be erect. It will be straight, just similar to the object. So when the object is similar or the image is similar to the object, then we can say it is a erect image. But if the image is not similar to the object, it is quite reverse. So this reverse image is known as the inverted image. Now again we have to perform an activity. In this we need a chessboard. So this chessboard we are having, and in this chessboard at the end we are placing a mirror which is perpendicular to the chessboard. Now on any box, for example on any box, like on this black box we are placing any object. So in the mirror we have to observe that on the same block the object is placed or not. So we will observe that the object will place on the same place where we are placing on the chessboard. Similarly, if we are moving this object to here, then in the mirror also it will move to the other side. That means whatever the image is formed in the plane mirror, it is always formed at the same distance. So what is the three priorities or three properties of the plane mirror? It will always form a same size image. The image which is formed in the plane mirror, it is always erect, and the image which is formed in the plane mirror, it is at the same distance to the object. So these are the three properties of a plane mirror which is forming a image.